Unlocking Idioms, Shoot the Puck. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English fun and easy. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase, shoot the puck. This idiom might sound straightforward to some, especially sports enthusiasts, but there's more to it than meets the eye. Whether you're a language learner or just love exploring idiomatic expressions, this video is for you. So, let's get started and unlock the secrets behind this expression. First things first, let's understand the literal meaning of shoot the puck. This phrase originates from ice hockey, a popular sport in countries like Canada, the United States, and Russia, among others. In hockey, shooting the puck means to hit the puck with the stick towards the goal with the intention of scoring. It's a fundamental action that every hockey player learns and performs in a game. Now, let's explore the figurative use of shoot the puck. In everyday English, this phrase can be used metaphorically to encourage someone to take a chance, make an attempt, or take action towards achieving a goal. It's akin to saying, go for it, or give it a shot. The underlying message is about seizing opportunities, not hesitating, and being proactive in pursuit of one's objectives. To give you a better grasp, let's look at some examples. You've been talking about starting your own business for years. It's time to shoot the puck and make it happen. I know you're nervous about asking for a promotion, but you'll never know unless you shoot the puck. He decided to shoot the puck and move to a new city for his dream job. These examples show how the phrase can be used in various contexts, emphasizing the action of taking risks or steps towards something significant. For English language learners, incorporating idioms like shoot the puck into your vocabulary can make your speech more natural and expressive. Here are a few tips. Use it in situations where you're advising someone to take action or when sharing personal stories of taking risks. Remember, idioms are often informal, so they're best used in casual conversations or personal narratives. Listen for this and similar expressions in movies, sports commentary, or conversations to understand the nuances of their usage. We hope this video has shed some light on the idiom, shoot the puck, and inspired you to take your own shots in life, whether they're literal or figurative. Idioms like these enrich our language and make learning English an exciting adventure. Thanks for watching, and remember, don't be afraid to shoot the puck in your language learning journey. Until next time, keep practicing, and see you in the next video.